I'm back with another video, baby. So if you want to know what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
What's up, squad? And if you're new to the channel, what's up? My name is Sin, aka T-shirt chick. So if you've been watching my channel and you enjoy my content and you have not hit that subscribe button, the first thing I want you to do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And on this channel, I teach people how to start t-shirt businesses, you know, how to print, do different types of printing, and show you my experiences as a t-shirt printer. I'm going to be letting you guys check out my shop setup, okay? Or at least part of it, because I haven't finished everything yet. Still have some things that I'm working on, but I'm going to let you see, you know, kind of see what it's looking like so far. And I will tell y'all about some of the things I'm going to be doing. Okay, so most of y'all already know that your girl just upgraded and got a whole new equipment for the shop. So if you have not seen that video, you can check it out up here. I did a live stream the other day where I was cleaning up and the shop was like a huge mess. So if you want to check that video out, I'll leave that video right up here. Still some things that I haven't done, but I'm gonna let you know what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so right over here you guys see that I got a new counter. And actually this counter was actually custom built for me by my mom and my stepdad. Thank y'all, appreciate that. So it's right here in red so that it matches my equipment. I got something that I'm working on for this situation right here. As you guys see, the blinds are kind of tore up right there, but I got something I'm working on. Y'all get to see video coming soon on that. Okay, so right here, this, and I just did this earlier. It's a little chip off of that. So right here, y'all can see what it's looking like, everything. I kind of left a little space right there. I don't know. This is what it's looking like right now. I may change it up. And you see the shirt that he has on is kind of faded, but I'm going to eventually change that out. And because of the pandemic, you see right there, I went ahead and threw him a mask on because he need to be protected too. All right, so I got this stand right here that I'm going to be putting t-shirts on. Okay, so the shirts that I have printed, I don't know right now, but I got these two forms right here that I'll probably be putting on top of here with the t-shirts that I'm offering that week, or you know, whatever I have going on. I'm going to be you know, have t-shirts on here, and you can go all the way around it right there. And I don't know if y'all have a store called Stage in your area, but I bought this from Stage for $20. And it would, you know, I'm missing a couple of these little pegs, but you can probably find them somewhere around at a hardware store. But yeah, this is a nice little thing right here. This is about the best I can do with it right now. As y'all see, I got my green screen up right now covering the equipment. I'm not gonna let y'all see that part right now, and I know some of y'all be getting mad when I don't show y'all stuff, but the real ones know what's up. Y'all gonna get to see it. I just want y'all to see it once everything is ready. Okay, so right now I just kind of have that set up there because that's kind of like an empty space and I don't have anything there, but I got something that's gonna go right there. It's coming, it's coming. And right here I just kind of moved my table and my T-shirt chick sign right here, but I got something I'm going to be decorating this table with coming up soon. You'll get to see that in another video. And this door right here, I'm going to have to put this door back on right here. So that's it. And let me see what else. Oh, and right there you see I moved. These used to be in the window next. They used to be like right here in the window. Y'all can go back and check out one of my older videos to see that. But that, I'm going to leave that right there. You see where the green screen kind of cuts off about right here? I'm going to make it so that the new screen covers all the way right there, all the way to the end on both sides. So as you see right there. Okay, so right here, right now I have these shirts just kind of right here because I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. They got print on them. They probably eventually going to go here. But right now I just have them right there. So, and I do kind of still have some stuff I'm kind of working on right here. This is what this is looking like right here. And this is what it's going to be like for right now. Unless I figure something else out. I might end up getting a new shelf or something to go right here. Okay, so this is what my setup is looking like right now. Okay, so that's my register stand, the back side of it. That's what it's looking like. And then over here, this is really kind of like my, it's just a little station. I can use this area as a weeding area if I choose to. I can use it to do mugs. Right now, I kind of got, you know, kind of got a little situation going on with it right there. And that's my mug holder right there. That, you know, that's just kind of right there. But I could use this. But I can use this little area to do my mugs, like when I'm my tumblers and stuff like that. I can do some weeding in that area, okay? And let me see. Yeah, I can do some weeding in that area right there. Okay, so right over here, as you guys see, I have this sink area right here that I'm really not using this sink area. I'm really don't have any plans to use it. So eventually this is going to be turned into a different area. Y'all gonna have to see that in a future video. And as y'all see right there, y'all can see, let me see, kind of have some stuff in the way, so maybe y'all can't see. Let me kind of move it out the way for y'all. This is just like the heat press area. You can see all of my tools are back there. Let me turn on the light over here. Let y'all guys, y'all can see a little better. Okay, so right there you can see my tools over in that area. And then I got these mugs that I'm eventually gonna put something on, and the parts to my hat press, that's like my weeding tools. Y'all know that. I got videos on that if y'all want to see storage for t-shirt printing tools. Just type that video in. And then right here you see my hat press. Right here, this box is going to be out the way, and I don't know, I might end up moving that stuff out the way, and then I can store like my tripods and my camera filming equipment right there. But I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with this yet. But this is like a box full of film, and right here I'm just going to toss that on there for right now. But that's just some transfers, and this is just a box. It's full of film, and that's the film that don't fit in that box right now. And then I'm gonna come back on this side, because y'all know I don't want y'all to see the back just yet, but y'all gonna get to see it. Okay, so right here I do have my press. I got all my signs right here, but I haven't done anything with them as of yet. I think I already have them up top right there, so I probably won't worry about hanging them back up. But this is what everything is looking like, y'all. So I'm gonna go back around, and as y'all see the things on the wall, this is probably gonna be took down. All of this stuff up here, I'm pretty much probably gonna take all of that down and replace it with some different type decorations. And these shirts, I'm probably gonna end up taking a lot of this stuff down and trying to put some fresh new things here. So this is what it's looking like right now. All right, so I didn't want to keep y'all on here long. Just kind of wanted to give y'all an update of, you know, what's going on in the shop, because I actually have not haven't put a whole bunch of videos out as far as showing everything and what everything is looking like. But y'all kind of see what, you know, what the setup is looking like, what it's gonna be looking like. So once I do get everything done, I'm gonna come back, show y'all the whole shop in a video, in a full video. But I appreciate you guys watching, and if you like the video, y'all know what to do. I'll see you guys in another video. Prince Squad out.